Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am here with another hair tutorial, so this is going to be a little bit different. I don't feel like I've ever did a tutorial showing you guys how to apply a U-part wig, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. The wig that I have is from CHANTICHE. I hope I'm saying that right, but CHANTICHE lace wigs, and I will have all of the information, all of the details down below in the description box. I'm so excited because this is my first time working with this company, and so far so good. I'm absolutely in love with this U-part. But if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But that is basically it. I will be giving you guys more details and talking more about this hair throughout the video, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. But yeah, that's it, so let's get on into the video. What's up, guys? So look at your girl looking about crazy. This is my first time ever coming on here looking about crazy. Honey, you won't be seeing me looking like this for too long. I was wearing another U-part not too long ago, so I needed this much out, so I think I'm going to part off some more. But y'all, these braids are old and just messy. So let me show you guys the wig. Don't be looking at me, y'all. So here is the wig, and it's a U-part wig. This is 1B. My hair is jet black because I did dye it, so we're still gonna make it work. So it comes with 3 combs right here at the top, so you have 2 on the side, 1 in the back. You also have another comb right here, and it comes with an elastic band. So what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to snip this off right here because your hair needs to come up through here. This is my first time actually getting a U-part wig. I always make my own U-part wig, so I think they just have this right here just to hold it when they're making the wig. So yeah, I'm going to snip that right on off, and I already shampooed my leave out and blow dried it. So let me just go ahead and part a smaller section. So this is how it's looking so far, and you want to make sure you're using a heat protectant. Even though this is not your natural hair, you want to make sure you're applying a heat protectant on the hair. It's just going to help the wig last longer. So let me show you guys how long it is. It comes about to right here, and I think I might put some big curls in it. I just want to show you guys how it curls and how it looks when it's curled. Ooh, so you can see the curls are really pretty. So pretty. So I'm just doing big loose curls in this hair. So this hair curls really pretty. So if you don't really care for like lace fronts or lace closures, you want something that looks more natural, I feel like this is a great alternative. But you want to like add length or volume or body to your hair, I feel like getting a U-part will give you that, and it gives you a different look. Alright, so here is what my hair is looking like. You see how easy that was? Just put some nice big curls in it. So now we're going to focus on the edges, get these laid looking right nice. So I love this right here. It's from the Main Chores, and I get it from Sally's, and you need you like a little you can use a toothbrush, but I actually like this. I ordered it off Amazon, and it has like a little comb at the end, and it has a brush right here. So I'm gonna brush my little edges just a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand and just dab it. look, I'm absolutely in love with this U-part. This is my first time getting a U-part wig because I usually just make my U-parts, but I am totally in love with this. One thing that I do love, excuse me, is the fact that it comes with so many clips. I feel like this wig is not going anywhere. I can swing, throw my hair, and this wig is not going to go anywhere, and it doesn't feel like tight on my head or anything like that. So if you're trying to get into wearing wigs or weaves and you don't want to lace clothes, you don't want to lace wig, I feel like a U-part is a great alternative. I also like half wigs and stuff like that, but a U-part, it just looks so natural to me. Again, this is 18 inches long. I feel like it's a great length. It's not too long, not too short. It's like that, you know, in between. It's 250 density. I feel like it's a great density. It's not too dense and thick and stuff. It looks really natural to me. This is silky straight, so I feel like it matches really well with my texture. Now my hair texture is not too silky, but when I straighten it out, you know, and put my little products on it, it can be looking silky, so it matches really well with my hair texture, I feel. And I believe that is it. I will help all of the information down below where you can find this unit along with other units that they have on the website. They also have wigs, so if you're into like lace wigs, frontals and stuff like that, definitely just go to their website. This is my first time working with this company, but from this U-part, like, I'm absolutely in love with it. I love the texture. It feels so good when I rub my hands through this hair. So if you're looking for a U-part, I definitely recommend this right here. So all of the details will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for checking in today. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces.